You can join us. Absolutely. Okay. Check the CC cameras.
Great, thanks. It already smells amazing.
Okay. You want me to put it up, guys?
Playing Roblox?
Yeah.
Okay.
Really? Oh, Bro Statue?
What do you have to play?
Hey, got the moves. Got the... Not that scary.
No, wait for me. Go to the game again.
It's not that scary, guys.
Who are you playing with?
No one.
You playing by your own?
No, it's not maybe.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna play with also the web players. Okay, that's your own YouTube channel. Please. No, I joined into two boys again. I went two boys. Ati,
Yeah.
so there is boys over there. How many?
I'm the one putting it.
I'm kind of scared in this game. Go. In the morning.
Here, gummies. Out. She's moving to. She wanted to.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk. Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Before serving, be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just like
Go
we
to
are.
stop. That's what to stop. Oh yeah, drinks. Go to the bedroom.
Anyone here?
I wanna watch TV.
Bro, I know what it- no one is here.
I'm with the boys. I'm just. Why are you hiding with the inspector?
No, why is it taking so long? Why is it- Finally. Who is that? Why do I hear sound?
Nah.
What's even that song?
Close it.
Is that something new? No.
And while you wait, feel free to watch TV or listen to the radio. Here's the mood up.
Welcome
Friendly
back.
reminder, don't look into their eyes. It's more fun that way. Have a wonderful
We can't look in the eyes, diba?
everything just
Where's the thing song?
ready on their way.
I don't know.
Hello, miss.
I don't know.
Please don't jumps.
I like the
Oh,
song.
oh, she's dancing. Get the groovy. Get up. Get up. Get up.
No, she's not real.
She's dancing.
She's real.
Why, guys? She's just dancing.
But she's not real. Close the windows. Bye.
Guys, the inspector look. I thought you would. His head looks like a mannequin. He looks like a mannequin, man. Oh, the inspector.
Bro, the girl is still here.
Did the inspector go?
No, it wasn't.
Mine too.
Bro, the girl looks so haunted. She's old and her eyes are really or not good. Or creepy, yeah. I did they close the window for no reason.
Guys, let's check. Let's check.
Good for closing the window. Let me see when they're there now. Okay,
Guys, what did you do?
the expected grow.
Yeah, it's.
My teammates are so. Oh no! The expected grow.
Oh my gosh, bro, why would you do that?
Bro, why would you do that? It's growed. Why they're so naughty? They expect the growth.
Man,
Before
we just ripped the house.
That girl is fine. They served her. Don't close the blinds. So you should serve her, Ati. Ati, she real?
Okay.
I think I should serve her.
So, good thing we have a lot more customers.
Hey, I'm putting it. Stop! Get out of my way. It's my turn. Good. No, just get out of my way.
Guys, why are you stepping on the inspector? Why are you stepping on the
I gave it.
Guys, why are you stepping on the inspector?
Oh. Bro's growing. Of course, it's growing.
Why is the creepy music coming in your phone?
Oh, because I have the sound.
Oh, dang.
I don't know. Bro, there's a deer. The deer's haunted. Close the window. That's what I told.
Are you alone?
I'm gonna leave the game. I'm so scared.
Bro, you're such a scaredy cat.
I'm scared of the sound.
You're such a scaredy cat, man.
I don't know why.
You're such a scaredy cat. This time it's scary.
It is scary. It's haunted. The sound makes me scared. Can you just play together?
Nah, I'm not scared. You're just scared, cat.
Please play with me. I'm so scared. Yep. Yep. Which is it put that? Which guy would do that? Do it first. Play with me.
No.
Play with me. Kawaii.
Sophia,
Play with me.
what are you doing to the inspector?
Cool. My friends, they just leave for no second. I was so confused, and that's how I leave. I was so scary because of the terrifying sound. Oh god. You join me?
Oh dang, I thought you were the expector!
What?
I thought this guy was the expector.
Where are you, bro? I thought you joined me. Hati, where are you? I thought you joined me. Hati, where are you, bro? No, can you just join me?
Guys, go to the bus stop.
Last people, come here. Come here, Paul. Come here. The last people. Good. I'm scared of this game naman. I hope there is no... Another sound! Ayoko sound! Meron akong sound. I don't have cracks on my phone na at least. Oh? Oh! Go in the morning. Go.
Guys, what's that you saw? Guys, what did I just saw?
What?
I just saw a monster in the machine.
I think it growed a little better.
Guys, let's go to the bus stop. Why am I here?
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma Kiosk.
I'm
Let's start with
scared.
the basics.
Okay, bye
Step
guys.
1.
Why don't
Turn
we
on the
leave me
grill.
go to...
Customers just
Bye.
love their shawarma hot.
Wait,
Great.
let's do an
Before
intro
serving,
together.
be sure to read the safety rules. They're super friendly, just
Say
like we
bye.
are.
Say bye. Guys, say bye. Bye.